Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I will show you how you can boot the device into safe mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key and from there select power off. Once the phone turns off, all you need to do is hold power key and volume up, and you want to hold it till you feel a vibration of the device, which happens a couple seconds after you see this. There we go, there's the vibration, so I can let go. What will happen right now is the device will boot into recovery mode, where we have the option to reboot it into safe mode. So from here, tap on safe mode at the bottom, and let's simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now the device is back up. We have a safe mode at the bottom, implying that we are in the desired mode. And in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything that you have downloaded yourself and installed will not be able to run, so just so you know. And let's see if we can find anything that I can actually try. These are not downloaded. Nothing in here. Again, not downloaded. So it looks like I don't have anything that I can showcase this with, but when you try to open it up, it just gives you a pop-up that this application won't be able to run in safe mode. So anyway, once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold your power key and select restart. Once the device reboots, it will go back to normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.